Welcome to Gungho Fitness. This is the setup you're going to use for your one-arm barbell overhead press, squat and press, your landmine, also known as a bus driver, and your two-armed row. So I just wanted you to see the setup. As you can see, there's a 45-pound plate on the floor, the bar laying across the plate, and then it's weighted and collared on the other end. We're going to use the plate on the floor for leverage. As you'll see, the little lip, it's about a 1/4 of an inch lip that goes around the 45-pound plate. We're going to use to put the bar in the tail end of that lip just to use it for leverage. Once you have it set up, I'm going to show you how to actually do the exercise now. And that's the setup. All right. Once you have it all set up, you're going to grab the bar, get underneath it. You're going to place it on one hand, whatever hand you choose to start with. You want to grab it right on the tip. We're going to get in a good comfortable position for the squat. This hand can be on your hip or anywhere you'd like it, whatever your comfort level is. You've got this bar laying down and the force production and all the weight and all the torque is going down into that lip. We're using that for leverage so the bar doesn't slide. So from here, we're going to drop down into a squat. And then as you come out of that squat, you just go right into an overhead press. It's going to be more of a 45-degree angle. Drop down to a squat again, and then press. Once you've done your desired repetition, you just go to the other side. Start in the rack position, drop down into your squat, and then press. Press. There's your squat with the overhead press. Next is the landmine. We want to grip the bar. You can do 2 hands over each other, like so, or you can do a staggered grip this way. Whatever you choose, whatever you're comfortable with. Now the point of this exercise is anti-rotation. We want to keep the spine, the lumbar spine, everything solid through this motion. We want to keep it stationary. We want to move the bar around our body. So what we want to do is face forward, keep your chest angled forward, and do a giant rainbow across your body. Doing the best you can not to turn your upper or lower torso. Just bring those arms across your body. Big rainbow. Every time you cross your face, that's 1 repetition. Just like so. And then the last exercise is a 2-hand row. You'll straddle the bar, grab it with 2 hands, and pull into your chest. Just like so. Very similar to a T-bar row. What we also want to consider is we want the circumference of our weight on the end to be very small. If I was to add weight to this, I'd want to add another 25-pound plate, 10s, 5s. We don't want to have a 45-pound plate on the edge because of the circumference. It will elevate the bar, and as I pull it into the chest, it's going to hit my chest. I'm not going to get a full range of motion. So remember to use smaller circumference weight when doing the 2-handed row.